want to cut off the blossom ends of your cucumbers. And I like to do about 1/4 of an inch slices. So now I'm gonna go ahead and pack my pickles in my clean jar. I'm gonna crush up some garlic and also add it to my pickle jar. Your jars would be warm. Last night I made the kosher dill pickle recipe for canning, but I have leftover brine. But it tells you, it's pretty simple instructions how to mix your brine packet. You're gonna use water and vinegar, and you're gonna boil it, and then you're gonna add it to your warm jars. So these were my jars from last night that I processed in the canner for 15 minutes and then set them out to cool overnight, and they'll be able to go in the pantry. You don't have to refrigerate it. But I have leftover brine, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just do refrigerated dill pickles, which they're not gonna be canned. I'm just going to put my brine in my jar and put it in the fridge, and they'll be good to eat tomorrow. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add my dill pickle brine to my jar. And I think I'm gonna be short brine, but that's okay, because I can mix up a little bit more because I have some extra in my packet. All right, so I mixed up the rest of my brine. Just gonna go ahead and add it to the jar. Just like that. So I have these little plastic ball lids that I can just put it right in the refrigerator and it'll seal up my jar. So I'm just gonna give it a shake like that. And then we'll put it in the fridge for 24 hours. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have our refrigerated dill pickles. This was a jar I put in last night. Isabella's gonna taste my pickles.
Okay, if I can get one, let's try. Okay, here we go. 3.
Let's hear the crunch. How are they?
Very good.
All right, folks. You can make your own dill pickles.
That's
Thumbs
good.
up.